The U.S. Supreme Court said it will consider striking down assault weapons bans in Connecticut. The justices said they will take up an appeal that fights against bans on the AR-15 and other semi-automatic firearms. Now, specifically in our state, as well as the Chicago area, there are similar bans in about a dozen states. In response to the news, Attorney General William Tong says Connecticut's assault weapon ban is lawful, and they are prepared to fight it in court. The case is expected to be heard in the fall.